This is Islamabad. Not a map of it, not a photo of it. This is the actual city. Every road, every building footprint, every ridge of the Margala Hills, rebuilt as something you can drive through. And it started with a data file. What you are looking at now is the real thing, running in a browser. No install, no engine, no download, it's a single HTML file. The city underneath it comes from OpenStreetMap. Every road you are driving on is a road that exists. The sector grid, the avenues, the roundabouts, that's Islamabad's actual plan, not something I drew by hand. Let me show you how it got here. The pipeline pulls raw OpenStreetMap data for Islamabad and pushes it through Blender, headless, no clicking, no manual modeling. Roads become geometry, building footprint gets exhausted, terrain becomes the Margalas. "12 kilometers across, end to end, Faisal Mosque sitting where it actually sits at the foot of this hill. The red zone Parliament Awan Sadr, the Supreme Court, blue area along Jinnah Avenue, and the Pakistan Monument at Shakarpadiya. These aren't decoration dropped on a flat plan, they are placed by coordinates on terrain with real elevation. A city isn't building its people. There are 675 pedestrians walking this city. They are not sprites and they are not cardboard cutouts. They are proper 3D human models generated with make human dressed in shalwar, kameez and dupatta. They don't just shuffle back and forth on a line either. There is a payment near network under the city, around 3000 waypoints, and they walk it. They turn at junctions, they wait at crossings, and if you come at them too fast, they will step out of your way. Four cars, a Suzuki Swift because this is Islamabad, a police interceptor, and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Nearly 200 kilometers an hour on streets that are mapped to meter. Show the mini map with landmarks labeled for it. Underneath this thing runs like a small city simulation. 17 junctions have working traffic lights and the AI traffic actually obeys them. Cars come to a complete stop at red and pull away at green, so do the pedestrian on the crossings. Press M and you get a delivery run. 9 destinations across capital, Parliament, the Monument, Centaurus, Appara, with a live distance readout and a timer so that an actual reason to learn the roads. And the minimap labels every landmark so you always know where you are. Blue area traffic, the Metro bus corridor, Parliament and the Supreme Court at 180. Pick your car and go. There is a full day cycle, dawn, midday, dusk. The light moves, the shadows move, and the street lamps come up as it gets dark. Same city, completely different mood. Drive it or walk it, run deliveries or just get lost in the sectors. One HTML file, one real city. This is Islamabad Drive.